Hi, first graders. Mr. Askelson here. It is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020, and we are on week 8 of distance learning. Today we're starting looking at a different shape or shapes, and it says triangles, trapezoids. Do work on the student pages 641 through 644. Do as much of it as you can. And with rectangles and squares the other day, we looked at a piece of artwork to see how they were incorporated excuse me, into a piece of artwork. Today we're kind of doing the same thing. And you can see this is it's kind of busy. It only has 2 colors into it, but it definitely has some pattern to it, light and dark. And you can see all kinds of like different shapes in there, but when you really stop and take a look at it, there's really only 2 shapes in here. And you can see I'll outline this white shape right here. You can see that. It is a 4-sided closed figure. And then there's another one right here. This is the white one. It goes like that. And that's a 3-sided closed figure. So you can see there's some of these things here in the white and the dark gray. And there's some of these shapes here, the 4-sided shapes. There's one here and here in the white and the gray. So really there's only 2 shapes here. It looks like there's a lot more, and it makes kind of a cool design, but there's really only 2 shapes involved here. And those 2 shapes are called triangles and trapezoids. Both are closed 2-dimensional shapes. They have vertices and straight sides. Now on the squares and rectangles, we said that those had 4 sides and 4 vertices. The triangle has 3 sides, okay, and 3 corners or vertices. So you can see 1 corner, 2 corners, 3 corners. 1 side, 2 side, 3 sides. The other one is a trapezoid. Now this has 4 sides like the square and the rectangle, but you can see how this shape has 2 of the sides that are kind of slanted. It does have 4 sides, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's similar to a square and a rectangle, but because the sides, 2 of the sides kind of slant in, it's called a trapezoid. So those are the 2 shapes you're going to be working on for today. So let's take a look at some of those shapes. It says write how many sides and how many vertices. It has 3 sides and it has 3 vertices, 1, 2, 3. A 3-sided flat closed shape is called a triangle. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. It has 4 corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. But because it has those 2 sides that kind of slant in, and we don't have square corners anymore, this one is called a trapezoid. So 3 sides, 3 vertices, 4 sides, 4 vertices. Let's check our answers, and we are correct. Let's try one more. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4. I no longer have square corners, so I'm going to say that that's a trapezoid with 4 sides and 4 vertices. On this shape, how many sides? 3. How many vertices? 1, 2, 3. So 3 sides, 3 vertices. I'm going to say that that's a triangle. And I am correct on both of those. So today, first graders, as you are going through and doing your student pages 641 through 644, think of these 2 shapes: the triangle, 3 sides, 3 vertices, and the trapezoid, 4 sides, 4 vertices. I hope that helps, first graders. Have a great day.